English is very important for our life. You don't know about English, then you cannot survive your life. Because English is very important in all over the world.
English is an international language, and English is most important for us. Have you English? Have you English? Have you English? You can easily survive your life.
But you say you are not survive here.
Morning, all of you. How are you? And I'm also fantastic. How's your life?
Now today I will tell you something about importance of English. Now I'm going to talk about importance
Now
of
I'm going
English.
to tell about the value of English. English is very important in our life, and you don't know English, you will not go to any country, because in this time English is very important in your life. You go to any company, you don't know English, he rejected you. You know English, he accepted you. That's why English is very important in our life.
Okay, again, would you like to, how can I say that English is the most for the everyone, for the everybody's, any areas? How can you say that? How can I say that? My mother tongue is Hindi. How can you say that?
I know
English
my mother tongue is Hindi, because English is very important in our life, and everyone searching who is speak English in English.
Then you can ask. One know about English? You can ask. Do you know English?
Yes, sir.
Do you know English? Because there are many person are Hindi medium. Then how can you say that? They are not a living.
So he is living, but he joined an excellent spoken center, and that's why he speak English.
That's why
He
is speaking English.
Speaking English.
Okay. Next buddies. Next buddies. Next one. Next one. Now, Western please come inside, please. What's this? Just a minute. Just now, carry on.
What saying?
About importance of English. What is the value of English?
English is most important for us and for us all person in other country, all over the world. English is most important for every student, every person. That's reason. Have you English knowledge, so survive any place. You can survive your life in any place without hesitation. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then anybody is asked a question related to importance of English? Anybody's?
Why English is very important?
Because have you don't have English, you can not survive your life in any village, any country.
I know English.
Because other country and all over the world, English is an international language, and English is most important for us. Have you English? Have you English? Have you English? You can easily survive your life.
But you say you are not survive here.
Because English is most important here. Because have you knowledge in Hindi, you can survive your life in here. But you don't have English knowledge, you cannot survive any place, any areas. You cannot survive your life.
That's why.
That's the reason.
It's a good.
What? Narendra Modi.
Mr. Narendra Modi also learning spoken English. But he's also talk all time in English. How can you see that?
What he?
English, but he not
know how to speak.
Because it's Indian. It's India. There is India. That's
What is the use of
Hindi is India. Knowledge of India is Hindi.
He has a knowledge of English. That's why he is also living on all countries. How can he say that?
Sir, he is use of
Mr. Narendra Modi has got a lot of knowledge of English. How can he say that? That's why he's also survived all life in any countries.
Yeah.
You know, America, he has also went to America.
Sir, but he have take a educated, sir.
It's not a translator.
Translator.
He already speak English.
Sir, how can you say he is speaking English? Sir,
But you can search. You can search.
You can search in Google and
Modi also
ChatGPT.
speak in English. How can he say that? How can he say that, Mister? Would you like to? Anybody's? Next buddies. Mr. Chotu. Now come inside, please. Clapping, everyone. Please tell.
Good morning, all of you. Now I'm going to tell something about the importance of English.
Right.
English is very important for our life. You don't know about English, then you cannot survive your life. Because English is very important in all over the world. Suppose that you go to America, then you don't know about English, then you have to purchase anything. Then you go to any shop, then he speak English and you don't know about English, then what will you do on that time?
Wow.
Please tell.
Please tell. You can tell.
What I'm tell.
At that time I will not purchase anything
Why?
because I don't know English.
But you went to market for the purchasing something.
Yes.
Then why will you come back without purchasing?
I take help.
Another person.
Yeah.
But that another
No,
person know
another
about how
person,
to speak English.
No other person. I take help in mobile internet.
Suppose that if you want to purchase a medicine of the headache, then how will you purchase?
So I will take help of.
Only for saying
Internet.
I have sar mein darad. This is also common. A medical store man will understand your feeling. No, that time you need of English. That's why English is the most. Then you can also ask them. Everybody's. You can ask him.
Okay.
Do you know about the English? English is the most for
Do you
everyone.
know about
Do you know?
why English is very important?
English is most important for us because English is the international language. If you have English knowledge, you can survive your life all over the world. That's the reason.
Okay, that's good.
Wow, fantastic. You can ask another question. Another person. English is the most for everyone.
Suppose
Why?
that you have hungry, then you feel like have something. Then what will you do on that time?
I will go to market and I purchases food.
On that time you don't know about English.
I am help to any
Suppose that you
translator.
broke mobile. Suppose that you broke mobile and not use internet.
But yes, you open your mobile. On that time in your phone no internet available. Then what will you do on that time?
There is very
How to translate?
because there is many Indian live there. I will take help Indian man people, and I will purchase.
Okay. Suppose that there is not any Indian person available there.
In America, many Indian live there.
Suppose they're not
Then
working.
how
Listen,
how did
Mr.
you?
Chotu, he is also asking something.
Suppose that ask him. Suppose that not working network there. So what will you do on there?
Yes, please tell.
Live there.
What?
Very Indian.
Then how,
Not,
then how
but
did you
network
find
is
there
not-
is who is Indian and who is American? Please tell.
Who is
You recognize very easily.
How can you say that?
How can you say I am not recognize any person in India?